My name is Sanuki. Today I am going to talk about my science week project about my bird feeder. I made this from recycled stuff like cardboard boxes, stickers, flowers, and on the top I used pistachio shells and I used a string so that we can hang it. Also, I used color paper. And when we make this stuff by recycled objects, we can save the earth. Because instead of throwing plastic bags and plastic bottles, we can use them to make a bird feeder. And I made this from my imagination. And I'm thinking about two main SDG goals I made this for: zero hunger and life on land. Zero hunger means that there is no hunger to anyone, even animals. And life on land means our earth is really beautiful and we save our earth, and our earth is very green. And when trees are growing, don't cut trees because it will harm the habitat of the birds. So we can make this so that the birds can come and eat fruit from our bird feeder. And when we take care of animals and trees give us oxygen and air so that we can breathe nicely. And also, when you make these types of things, don't throw everywhere pistachio shells, cardboard boxes, plastic bottles. Then our earth will be dirty. If we recycle stuff and we put it in the recycle bin and we try to make something from those, we will get a new bird feeder or other kind of stuff. And then the earth will be happy that we did this and we made the world beautiful. Just like me, you guys can also recycle stuff and make bird feeders like this and hang it outside so that small birds will come and eat inside their little house. Thank you.